What's going on, guys? Cool Chain Computers here, back again with another video. And today, I'm going to be building my brand new desk. So after a quick little Ikea run, I've got a bunch of different parts here to build my desk. So first, this is a 39 3/8 inch liniment, and then another 59-inch liniment. So it's going to kind of create an L-shaped desk here, and this is just like a floor mat. And I got 8 legs here. So, yep. And then I got one of the Alex drawers that I still got to put together. So that's everything I got at Ikea. So my plan is to have 2 legs here, and then another 2 legs here to have one little table. And then I'm going to have the Alex drawer rotated 45 degrees, so not like the drawers right here. The drawers are coming out right here. And then I'll have another 2 legs here, but that's only 6 legs. So I'll have one in the center here for support in the back, and then the same thing over here, back middle, for more support. I know it's hard to see right now because I had to move our elliptical right here, but this is the desk I'm upgrading from. So as you can see, there's not a whole lot of space here. So it'll be nice to have a lot more just kind of breathing room to fit my keyboard, because my keyboard right now, as you can see, is basically touching the monitor stand legs. The monitor stand is pushed up all the way against the back. This is going to be a great opportunity for me to open up some space and actually do some cable management this time. So my desk setup is looking really awesome. So let's get building. Alrighty, progress update. I have the Alex drawer constructed, so it's all good. Got drawers and everything. So we've actually changed it up a little bit. Instead of having the Alex drawer over here, I actually have 8 legs or back in the corner instead of using this as support, just so it's more reliable. And then one quick thing I want to point out here, the geniuses at Ikea. So if you are building a tabletop, you have your legs right over there, and then they actually include pre-drilled holes in their tabletops right there, so you don't have to guess where anything goes. You just drill it right there, and it's all nice and centered. Really genius idea. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to work, and I'll catch you guys later when everything is built. I was able to fit this guy, or the Alex drawer, right in there, so that's perfect. So I can just access all that stuff, all that good stuff right there. So the plans I have are obviously have my monitor and peripherals all right here, have the PC right here facing in a way that the tempered glass panel is on this way and the cables route back that way, and then over here is going to be a little working area with where my laptop. So we have online school starting in a few days, so this will be nice because I can have my laptop right there and have space for like paper and pencils and stuff and textbooks out. So because as you can see over here, it's really hard to do that because there's not a whole lot of space. So this is a definite upgrade. And as you can see here, I also got the floor mat for my chair, which is nice. So yeah. Alrighty, so I've gotten everything moved, at least physical that's going on top. I still have some of the drawer stuff to put in the Alex drawer, but that can be done later. So I got everything laid out. It looks super clean, all black. Yeah, I need to drill some holes now. Drilling a hole right here for the keyboard, mouse, and my headset. It's got a USB ending. And then I just have to start plugging everything in. I gotta plug in everything at the back of the computer, and hopefully everything reaches. So yeah, fingers crossed. After about 4 hours of working, my setup is complete. So we have the chair here on the chair mat, which is nice because then it moves really slowly. So here's the main area. So everything's the same here. I've got the hole drilled right there. Everything's the same. It's nice now though because I have space between my keyboard and the monitor stand. So I'm actually further away from the screen, which is better for my eyes. And we got the PC here, all in its glory. I don't have a headphone hanger though, because the old one doesn't work with this desk. I'm gonna be saving up then for a headphone hanger. Yeah, so I got my webcam right up there. So it's a different angles, which should be nice for streams and stuff. And then down here, I got the Alex drawer. And I would just stuff in it. And then I have this desk for schoolwork, since that starts up soon. So yeah, that's it for my desk. Thank you all very much for watching. Please do comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.